Welcome, here I've got Huawei Honor 20 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the third position we have add watermark option, so by using this button from the right we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture to see how the Honor watermark looks like. And now to see the photo, let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. And of course when we don't need it we can go back to the camera, then to the right corner and use this button to turn it off. Now when we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.